When I watch a movie or television show, all I want to do is relax and be entertained.
But sometimes, film and TV characters can cause confusing feelings.
Feelings, you know, down there.
I'm not crazy. I mean, I wouldn't let Hannibal Lecter eat my brains, but I would let him eat my pussy.
If that sounds like something you've said, you may be suffering from Villain Attraction Disorder, or VAD.
And you need to know, it's okay.
It's okay.
You didn't choose to have VAD. It chose us.
But there are other Vaders out there.
And we understand how sexy a heist can be.
So much more exhilarating than doing the right thing.
Bad guys have the motivation, the cunning.
He wouldn't have to con his way into my cumber snatch.
And we know how insensitive other people can be.
How many times has someone told you it's not the monstrous character you're attracted to, it's the actor?
I don't even know who Tom Hiddleston is, but Loki could return to my Asgard any day.
Sure, Batman's big and buff, but he's just so nice. Give me Patrick Bateman any day.
It's not just Heath Ledger, it's the Joker.
The Joker. And make his pencil disappear.
Give me an hour with him, and I'll be the one with the torn up mouth.
Some men just want to watch a girl squirm.
So if your last boyfriend had too many mommy issues, but you'd still bang Norman Bates?
If first year Draco Malfoy makes you feel like a pedophile,
If you spend every night wishing you were lost in Jair's labyrinth,
Then you probably have VAD, but you don't have to suffer alone.
Vader support groups are forming in underground lairs all over the country.
we'll help you understand that it's okay to get antsy over an antagonist.
And that you can still be good while loving bad.
Villain Attraction Disorder. It's real.
It's real.
it's real.
Even if the Joker isn't.